Dominique, can you tell us the complement of 8 degrees? 82 degrees. So this requires you to know what a complement is in the geometric sense. So complementary angles add up to what, Dominique? 90 degrees. So you just want to figure out what other angle would add to 8 to get you to 90 degrees. Or in other words, 8 plus x equals 90. X equals 82. I'm going to use something that's more easier. C, black. Good. And Jen, the supplement of 36 degrees? 144 degrees. Good. You have to know the definition of supplementary angles. It's angles whose measures add up to what, Jen? 180. So 36 plus 180. Oh, excuse me. 36 plus x equals 180. And that's how you get to x equals 144. Or you can simply do 180 minus 144. Yep. Any questions on the first two? Okay, Val, how could we find the measure of each angle in number 3? An equation? Good. Good. And why 180? Yes. And how do you know they're supplementary? Yes, you have a straight angle or a straight line here. Good. What's your next step algebraically?
You add 5 and 4.
And you get?
9.
And then?
You divide 180 by 9.
Good.
Yes? Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. And n equals 20.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Keep going.
You multiply 5 by 20.
Good.
And then we do the same thing with 4 and
Good. And you can just check. Those have to add up to 180. Okay. So 180 degrees. A common mistake students make is to just solve for the variable and box their answer, but that's not what's being asked for here. Good. And Dan, could you help me solve number 4? All right, so tell me what you know about complementary angles. They add up to 90 degrees. So like Val did in number 3, you can set up an equation. Good. And what would your next step be? Add 18 to 90. 9x equals 108. X equals 12. Yep, you need to plug that in for x. Say again? 4 times 12. $42? Yep. Good. Any questions on 3 or 4? Sweet. And Julia, how could we add those two angles? Yes, number 5.
So, you added them, you get 464, and then 71, but you can't have 71, so you take 60 out of that,
Good.
and add it to 465, and then the remainder is
So first I'll set it up vertically. And we can add the minutes part. We get 71 minutes. And then the degrees part, we get 464 degrees. But as Julia said, we don't leave a minutes portion greater than 60. So we remove 60 from that. And then add a degree here. So we should get 465 degrees and 11 minutes, which is choice B. Okay? Good. And Chowan, number 6, 90 degrees minus 5 degrees, 14 minutes. Okay, and how did you do that? Okay, it sounds like you converted 90 degrees into 89 degrees, 60 minutes. That is equivalent to it. And then you can do the subtraction more easily. So 60 minus 14, 46, and then 89 minus 5, 84. Good. And Nikki B, how could you approach number 7?
Actually, I don't know how to do this one because for the minutes, I got a negative number.
Mm-hmm.
So from there, I didn't know what to do.
Yeah, so if you do something similar to what Chowan did, whenever you have a situation in which the minutes in the first number is less than the minutes in the second number, you can borrow a degree and then add 60 minutes, because 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 degree. So you can make it 70 degrees and 81 minutes.
Okay, so then you do 81. Yeah, so 81 minus 46, which is 35.
Yes, 35 minutes.
And then 70 minus 11, which is 59 degrees.
Good.
Let's see.
Yep. Any questions on 5 through 7?